Ayan guys, nakuha na natin yung uniform. Kunin na natin. Yan, para sa mga magtatanong, sana ako nagpagawa nito. Maganda yung materials nila. Maganda pagkakagawa. Yan, DLMT Sportswear. Yan na yung ating mga uniform. Excited na ako. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Yan ating sasakyan. Kaya tayo sa second floor. Doon tayo mag-unbox. I-unbox natin tong mga uniform. Hindi mataas lang. Second floor tayo pero ayos lang naman. Yan yung paligid natin. Mga yan. Work sheds dyan. Ayan na. Dito na tayo. May coffee table tayo sa labas. Pero 4 na upuan talaga yan. Pinasok ko lang sa loob para maging waiting chair natin. Ayan na. Ito. Unbox natin ito. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. DLMT. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung loob. Ayan na siya. Wow. Ayan. Barber Trends is in the house. DLMT. Tingnan natin yung likod. Ayan yung likod. Ooh. Tapos, may nakasulat sa likod. Ano nakasulat? Tingnan natin. Mindset. Learn from mistakes. Always keep improving. I will be number 1. Stay determined. I will succeed. Wake up early. And always be thankful. So yan yung ating isa sa mga designs ng ating uniform. Sige. Tingnan natin yung iba. Ayan ulit. Ayan. Ganda ng tela. Madulas. So, tingnan natin yung likod nitong isa. Anong meron dito? Oh, ayan na siya. Ayan yung likod. Ano nakasulat sa likod naman ito? I am a barber. I don't stop when I'm tired. I stop when I'm done. Next. So, may banner pa tayo. Thank you, DLMT. Meron pa tayong banner. Look at that. Barber Trends. Nice. Thank you, DLMT. Again. Mag-unbox pa tayo. Kasi 12 pieces ito, guys. Check natin. Yan. Ito ano naman ang likod nito. Oh, iba rin. Nakalagay, the 7 rules of life. Let it go. Never ruin a good day by thinking of bad yesterday. Don't listen to other people. Live a life that's empowering you. And number 3, give it time. Time heals everything. Number 4, don't compare. The only person you should try to beat is the person you were yesterday. Number 5, stay calm. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Know that in time you'll get there. It's on you. Only you are in charge of your happiness. Number 7 is the most important. Smile. Life is short. Enjoy it while you have it. Okay. Thank you DLMT for this. Isa pa. Check natin isa pa. 12 ito eh. Pero mag-unbox tayo ng ilan na ba yan? 3? Pang-4 yung banner. Check natin ito isa. Yung harap. Check natin yung likod. Ito yung mindset din ito. Good. Ito tayo. Ito yung rin. Ayaw na bago. Hinahanap ako isang design. Ano rin? Yan, ito yung isang design pa. Throw me to the wolves and I'll return leading the pack. Yan. Tingnan natin. Ooh, nice. Ganda. Thank you DLMT. Ganda ng gawa niya. Pag ganito naman, para makita niyo yung likod. Ayan. Hindi ko lang makita yung nakasulat, pero ayan. Meron yan nasulat sa likod. Alright guys. Ayan yung ating mga uniforms. Ang ganda. Thank you DLMT. Thank you. See you next video. Drop your comments. I'll give you a shout out next time. Thank you for watching and mabuhay tayo mga kagunting.